What?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Tice and I like doing these kinds of videos. I like to review hair products and tools and all kinds of crazy things. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this show rolling. Okay, so for today, what we are going to be reviewing is this no, not her. We are going to be reviewing we are reviewing this thing. It's the INFINITI Pro by CONAIR, and yeah, it looks like it is steam rollers. I haven't seen a video on this yet, so I'm so excited to film this for you guys. Yeah, so this one says that it's gentle to your hair, and there's 12 of these rollers that's in the box here, and I don't know if 12 is going to be enough for my hair, but we're going to have to make this work. Is that it's long-lasting curls for all hair types, even with this bushy mop. And you see this right here? I don't think my hair is gonna look like this, but let's just try it. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this box up. I've not opened this yet. Let's see here. Is there? Okay, I'll start from this side. Okay, so we got the instructions here. We got the rollers, and they're pretty small. Do you see that? They're pretty small rollers. Also comes with this bag, I think. Yeah, it's a bag. Oh. Okay, so it's really lightweight. It feels flimsy. Kind of feels like a toy. So yeah, let me go ahead and I'm gonna read the instructions really quick just to make sure I do this right. Now we are working with my hair, and I don't want my hair to burn off, so I will be right back. Okay, so it looks like we are gonna need water, so I just ran downstairs to get a cup of water, and it says that you have to use distilled water only. So it says to fill up the water to the line. Oh, here it is. See where it says max? So fill it up to that line, and then yeah, it says to wait 90 seconds. So do not heat it for over 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and get this started. Open this, get my H2O. It looks like this, and I'm gonna put the rollers on top of here. There is a little light on the top of this thing to indicate that it is on and heating up. I don't think I'm supposed to have the clamp on. Not clamp, but what are these things called? The lock thing to secure it? Yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to have that on. Because how in the hell am I supposed to touch it after? And it's gonna burn my freaking fingers. Let's go ahead. There's a hole right here. Oh, and by the way, it is Velcro rollers. So, let's plop. Okay, so since I'm done sectioning off my hair, yes, I don't care what it looks like. I'm actually gonna just start with the bottom, use a section like this. Yeah, so once this thing starts here, there is smoke. Sorry, you guys can't see it. It's against the white wall. Sorry, but it is smoking right now. Okay, I say that's been about 90 seconds. So let's go ahead and start wrapping and rolling. So I guess I'm going to just wrap it around. They say the tighter that you wrap it, the tighter your curls. It is styrofoam, so I don't know. This thing doesn't even feel that hot to me. Go ahead, and it says to just get this and clamp it shut like that. So it says you can't leave it on there for more than 3 minutes, so I have to hurry. So again, I'm just gonna grab, you know what, it's easier if I just grab random sections. So far, like clamping it down and rolling it up, it's so easy. But my thing is I left it on for way more than 90 seconds, and to me, the rollers don't feel hot. So this is my last one here. And let's go ahead and just place these 4 right on top. So let's again wait.
Eventually.
Okay guys, so this time I timed it. It's been 95 seconds now, over a minute. So let's hurry up and get rolling. Okay, guys. Oh no. Oh, never mind. So this is all on my head now. You know what the thing is with this contraption thing? There's no switch or on and off button, so you're gonna have to actually just pull the plug out. So yeah, as you can see, I look crazy can be. But yeah, so they're all in my hair. There's 12 of them. No, I'm really hoping this thing works. It was super easy to do. So yeah, you know what? I'm gonna, instead of waiting for it to cool down, I'm gonna give it about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll be right back and we'll do the final review on this, okay? Alright. Okay, I'll see you guys later. One moment. Why am I like, I'm ending the video? Actually, I'll be right back. It's been almost 30 minutes, a little over 25 minutes that I had this cooling down in my hair, and honestly, the way it feels, I feel no heat at all, so I feel like it is safe to unroll these rollers. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the side that I started with first. Let's get started. Hopefully this worked. Really praying that it worked. What? What? Oh my god, I can't believe that. Wait. I gotta do another one. Hold on. What? Oh my god, this is so crazy. The only reason why I'm saying it's crazy is because when I was so unsure of this, because when I took the roller off the thing, the contraption thing, it wasn't hot. Like, it didn't feel hot, and after I rolled it up, I snapped it on. It was like cool to the touch, but okay, I am seriously tripping. Let's go ahead and remove the rest. Okay, I don't know why this one is very sad at the ends, but let's just continue. Ow, I don't know why some of these are like stuck. Maybe it's the way I rolled them. That is so crazy. Woo, okay, so that was the last one, and I am completely shook out of this world. I can't believe that it worked. I mean, sometimes you get the straggly ones, but too bad this one is kind of not all there, but it's okay. It's okay. You know, it's the first time using it. I am completely surprised, and now, you know, I believe that this thing works. Yeah, so let me go ahead. You guys see it right here. You guys see that? See that? Now, I would not go out wearing my hair like this. If you guys would, looking like Curly Sue, then by all means go right ahead, but it's just not my style. So I'm gonna go ahead and run my fingers through this. This is my absolute favorite part. Let's go ahead and run my fingers through my own hair. Holy crap. This is insane, you guys. This is insane. Okay, so let me go ahead and I'm gonna show you in slow-mo my whole entire hair. Is this? Okay, you guys, so that's about it. Now, for me, the pros of this thing is it's super lightweight, and it's super easy to use. All you gotta do is, like, you're not clamping, and these things that lock into this is so convenient, and it really does hold. I was actually walking around while I was waiting for it to cool down, and none of them came loose, and yeah, they all stayed intact, so that's another plus. Styrofoam, I guess styrofoam is good for your hair, so that's another plus. My only cons is make sure you roll it really good, because as you could see when I was taking it off, I was having a lot of trouble because a few of them was a little tangled, so I had to end up just breaking my hair off of it. Another thing I didn't like is filling it up with water, but I mean, that is so easy. I'm just trying to find something to complain about. But other than that, if this is the kind of curls that you guys are looking for, definitely get this INFINITI CONAIR Pro, and I'm sure you guys are gonna like it. But yeah, other than that, you guys, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll be posting videos every single week on hair tutorials, reviews like this, challenge videos, which I haven't done in a while because I haven't seen any good ones out there, and every once in a while I will do a vlog. So other than that, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Alright, peace.